Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial literacy with Berkshire Hathaway step by step clearly. To begin improving your financial literacy, start by understanding the basics of financial concepts. Explore key terms such as assets, liabilities, equity, and net worth. Next, read reputable books on finance and investing. Focus on works by Warren Buffett and other Berkshire Hathaway leaders. They provide insights into long-term investing and value assessment. Then, familiarize yourself with Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder letters. These letters showcase Buffett's investment philosophy and capital allocation principles. Consider watching documentaries or interviews featuring Warren Buffett. His commentary often includes valuable lessons on risk management and market behavior. Engage with investment courses or webinars that cover financial literacy. Look for programs that emphasize practical knowledge over theoretical concepts. After that, analyze Berkshire Hathaway's investment portfolio. Identify the companies they invest in and understand why those choices were made. Utilize financial news platforms to stay updated on market trends. Learn about the economic factors that influence investment decisions. Join financial literacy forums or communities online. Engaging with others can enhance your understanding and offer real-world perspectives. Practice calculating simple financial metrics related to companies you're interested in. Seek small investment opportunities to apply your knowledge. Start with stocks, mutual funds, or index funds. Monitor your investments and reflect on the outcomes. Evaluate errors and successes to refine your strategy. Finally, set long-term financial goals based on your acquired knowledge. Assess your progress regularly, adjusting your approach as needed. With consistent effort, you will enhance your financial literacy significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.